fireworking. So let's go. Come here, let me go. Guys, I'm going to try find... Wait. I know. Grab my tripod. Got that bit. Yes. I can still do stuff. I can't stop my game. No, I'm not waiting. Only that's a word. Oh, guys, that's not my real scooter. Oh, guys, it's not my real scooter, by the way. Guys. Guys, look. I'll go into the shop. Oh, wait. Sorry, guys. This is not my scooter. Grab it now! Guys, sorry about this, guys. It's been 1 minute. So guys, yeah, because I'm getting them fireworks already. Oh. CJ! Ask CJ if he's coming out. Fireworks are actually on now.
So, Jamie ditched me.
No, he didn't. He's outside right now.
So when I came back, Jamie said he'd be there. And he was there.
Yes, he was there. He was right there.
Yeah! Because you just nearly got knocked down. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's go this.
Oh, I missed it. Come on, look at it from this! Wait. Now I'm taking off this. Stop it! Hold that! Hold that if any fireworks come. That's it. No, got a good view. Wait, let me see. Let me do it. Let me do it. Whoa! No! No, it's good. You just need to put your feet down. Come on, let's go up. Let's go up. Go! Let's get a better view. That way! Stop me! You little scaredy girls! Scaredy girls. A video channel, I mean. So guys, go visit Cody's channel, by the way. So yeah. Willis, whoa!
What's your channel called?
Who wants to go that way?
Cody Valentine.
On like the first bit on the road. Not on the road.
I might able to. Got the faggot gang there. Easy lads.
You're using mine!
Wait, this is mine, you dickheads.
Oh, sorry though.
Fireworks.
Oi!
Right, there you are. You can get a little clip with the fireworks there.
Come on, let's go further back.
It's better further.
Somebody hold my phone. You hold it. And we'll call it while. I think it's upside down.
That's it. No,
It's upside down, yeah. The numbers are upside down there. That guy! Guys, we're going to be doing this for like 20 minutes now. Oh yeah. You can't do it for 20 minutes. It has to be 15 minutes. No.
You're able to do 2
That-
parts. Hour long ones.
Yeah.
So go, that's it.
Yeah, that's only somebody on mine. Hold that.
I'll go riding.
Mr. Lads.
That's only live streams.
Let me get a little clip on that.
You need something to let you do more minutes. You need something more to do more minutes. Oh, it smells of lovely fireworks.
Let me flip my board.
Oh, come here, Miss Dory. Oh.